If you've been watching this channel a while, you might remember me just railing about something called the Safe Third Country Agreement. It was an agreement between the United States and Canada, and it governed immigration policies.
Ha! Gay!
It governed specifically asylum seekers. And the way it worked was that if you arrived in the United States, you set foot in the U.S. first, you couldn't claim asylum in Canada at a traditional crossing.
Ha! Gay!
Now, you could go, there was a loophole in it, you could go to some unmanned area and cross into Canada that way. That wasn't always safe, especially if you were traveling with kids. A lot of those areas are rough.
Based.
So it became dangerous. This agreement was just struck down by a Canadian court. They said it was unconstitutional on their side. The basis for that was that the United States is no longer a safe third country.
Based.
They're right. They're right. For asylum seekers, it is not. It hasn't been for a while. In the U.S., we have a lot of agreements that we have signed on to, a lot of treaties. As we've talked about before, treaties are the law of the land. It's backed up by the Constitution, and we've been ignoring them.
Based.
What they were, which is where they need to be. We need to honor the agreements that this country entered into.
Ha! Gay!
A lot of asylum seekers have been illegally and unconstitutionally denied asylum in the United States, or they've been detained.
Based.
And I would hope that they don't. I hope they don't appeal it. I hope they understand that the United States is not a safe third country anymore.
Based.
It is behaving like a failed state.
Is your end game.
Accelerationism is the end game. We're going to burn this entire Earth to the ground and rebuild from the beginning.